Hello, my name is Regila and I am Hobbycraft artisan and artist who specializes in resin. I love resin. It's such a versatile material. You can make anything from keychains to gorgeous paintings. Today I will show you how to make your own molds and hair clips using resin. Let's get started! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. For personal protection, we'll be using a plastic table cover, apron, gloves, and mask with respirator. Top tip! If you have long hair, make sure to tuck it away or tie it up. Let's start by creating our mold. We will use silicone molding paste. Take half of the white silicone and half of blue silicone from the kit and mix them well together in your hands. The molding paste sets very fast, taking only 5 minutes. Flatten the paste using a roller to get rid of any wrinkles. Then make an imprint of the wooden heart and lollipop sticks. Wait for 5 minutes. While we are waiting for the resin mold to harden, we can prepare for the next step. Start by measuring 20 ml of bottle A, which is resin, and 10 ml of bottle B, which is hardener. Pour them into the cup and mix them together for 5 minutes. Leave it for a couple of minutes to settle. While we are waiting, let's prep the mold. Remove the items from the mold and double check whether there is any dust or fluff left on it. If there is, masking tape always helps to get rid of it. Pour the resin mixture into the mold. Drip alcohol ink on top of it. And use a heat gun to get rid of any bubbles and create a pattern. When you are happy with the pattern, leave it to dry for 72 hours. After 72 hours, take your hair clips out of the mold. Use all-purpose glue to attach the alligator clip and your hair clips are done!